Hi, I'm Nicola from the Maxwell Centre in Dundee, and as part of the Big Grow, we are getting 100 families to be growing their own food. And today we're going to have a quick look at planting up a container. So this is a herb trough that I'm doing today. So a few things about the trough. We made it ourselves from some scrap waste wood. So because it's untreated wood, I've lined it with some plastic. It's just plastic from an old compost bag. And then I've started off filling it with a bit of compost. So the compost is quite a nice compost, but because these herbs are going to be in for a bit longer in terms of the growth, they'll be here all summer, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken manure pellets. So these are just going in to help to feed the plants because they only have this space to grow in, and they need to get a bit of extra fertiliser just to keep them going for the whole summer. And then I'm just topping up right up to almost the top with some compost. And then I'll start positioning the plants. So you'll buy plants like this in most shops and garden centres. Plastic pot, always give the pot a good squeeze when you take the plant out. This is a gorgeous thyme and it smells absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to go for the thyme at one end. Gently tease out the roots, they're not too bad, but just gently tease them out. Pop that in there. The next one I've got some lovely parsley. This is parsley that we've grown ourselves. So you can see it's starting to need potted up. There's lots of roots there, so it's starting to need planted up. I'm spacing them out quite wide because although you think, oh, there's loads of space there, these plants will easily fill that clump. And then right in the middle, I've got a lovely clump of chives. Now these chives were just growing in the garden, and what we've done is we've dug them up, we've just split them up, so we've got a good root system there, and we're just going to transplant them into our trough. A bit more compost around the base, but as you can see, I'm going to end up with 4 plants in here, so that's why I've put the extra fertiliser in. And my final plant is oregano, and it smells beautiful. It smells gorgeous. Use that in your tomato sauces and things, on your pizzas. Again, I'm squeezing it out the pot. Roots quite a nice wee root system. It's not too pot bound, which is great. Pop it in there, and then I'm just filling up with compost. Make sure that you fill right up to the top. There'll be a little bit of settlement and space, and then the gaps will quickly be filled as the plants grow. Tidy up my pots, give it a quick drink, and we're away. Put it on a sunny space in the garden.